Imagine walking deep within a forest after sunset, darkness all around. Suddenly, tiny sparks of light appear. First one, then many, until the air is filled with moving lights like a river of stars. These are not stars, but living insects carrying their own lanterns. Each point of light is a silent message, a pulse of life in the darkness. Some drift slowly, others flash quickly, creating a secret code in the night. Over streams and clearings, their reflections dance, turning the forest into an enchanted ballroom. This is bioluminescence, the ability of living organisms to create their own light. Fireflies and glowing beetles use this light to communicate, find partners, warn off danger, and even hunt. Each flicker is part of an ancient story of survival. The forest becomes a stage for this silent symphony of light, a reminder of nature's hidden wonders. Some insects glow with a soft green, others with a brighter orange, each with its own pattern and rhythm. This is their language, a visual vocabulary written in light. By observing, we glimpse a hidden world where light is used for speaking, loving, and surviving. In the deep night, these living stars connect us to the extraordinary beauty of the natural world. What is this magical light? It's called bioluminescence, light made by living things. Unlike a hot light bulb, this is cold light, incredibly efficient, producing almost no heat. The chemical reaction behind it turns nearly all energy into light. Bioluminescence isn't just for insects, it's found in bacteria, fungi, and deep-sea creatures. These organisms have conquered darkness by making their own light. For insects, it's a vital tool for survival used to communicate, find mates, and warn predators. Sometimes it's even a trap, luring prey with a beautiful glow. The light is not just decoration, it's as essential as wings or antennae. Nature has solved the problem of darkness in elegant ways, letting creatures carry their own light. They've harnessed chemistry to create a silent, effective tool. Understanding bioluminescence reveals the complexity and ingenuity of life. Even the smallest creatures turn night into a canvas for living light. This process is a perfect example of nature's creativity. Bioluminescence shows us that extraordinary things happen in the dark. Creating living light is like following a chemical recipe. The main ingredient is luciferin, the fuel for the glow. Each bioluminescent organism has its own type of luciferin, giving different colors. The next ingredient is luciferase, an enzyme that acts as the spark, speeding up the reaction. ATP, the cell's energy molecule, powers the process. Oxygen is the final key. When luciferin, ATP, and luciferase combine with oxygen, light is produced. Magnesium ions help the enzyme work efficiently. The complete recipe, luciferin, ATP, luciferase, and oxygen, resulting in a beautiful cold light. Insects can control this reaction instantly by regulating oxygen, creating complex flashing patterns. This precise control turns a simple chemical process into a language of light. The result is a dazzling display, unique to each species. Nature's chemistry allows insects to light up the night with purpose. The forest becomes a living laboratory of glowing signals. Insects don't glow all over, they have special light organs called photic organs. In fireflies, these are on the underside of the abdomen, appearing as pale yellow segments. Inside, special cells called photocytes act as tiny factories for light. These cells contain luciferin, luciferase, and ATP, all ready for action. A network of tracheoles supplies oxygen, allowing precise control over the glow. When a firefly wants to flash a nerve signal, lets oxygen flood in, triggering the reaction. The light turns on and off instantly, creating unique flashing patterns for each species. This system is a complex language, not just a simple glow. Other insects like click beetles have light organs on their thorax and underside, producing different colors for different purposes. These adaptations help them startle predators, navigate, and communicate. The diversity of light organs shows nature's inventiveness. Each glowing insect is a marvel of biological engineering. One of the main reasons insects glow is to find a mate. In the darkness, bioluminescence becomes a long-distance communication system. Male fireflies flash unique patterns as a signature call. Females watch and respond with their own species-specific signals. A dialogue of light begins. He flashes, she answers, until they meet. This system ensures they find the right partner, avoiding confusion with other species. Flash patterns can be complex, long glows, quick pulses, or even J-shaped flights. Each species has its own private channel for communication. This light-based language is a triumph of evolution, solving the challenge of reproduction. The chemical reaction behind the glow has become a sophisticated tool for connection. These luminous conversations have been taking place for millions of years. The flickering lights on summer nights are purposeful, meaningful exchanges. Bioluminescence is also a powerful defense. For many insects, their glow warns predators, "Don't eat me." Firefly larvae or glowworms produce a steady light, signaling they taste bad. Predators learn to avoid the glow after unpleasant experiences. Adult fireflies also use their flashes as a warning. Some species glow brightly when threatened, startling attackers and escaping. This glowing warning system benefits both insects and predators. The gentle light is a formidable shield in nature's nightly battles. Some insects use their light as a deadly lure. The femme fatale fireflies of the genus Photurus imitate other species' courtship flashes. Unsuspecting males approach, thinking they've found a mate, but become prey. Photurus females gain both a meal and defensive chemicals from their victims. This is aggressive mimicry, using light to deceive and hunt. In New Zealand and Australia, glowworm larvae attract insects with their blue-green light. They hang sticky threads from cave ceilings. Insects drawn to the glow get trapped. The larvae reel in their catch, using light as an irresistible fatal trap. Bioluminescence can be both beautiful and deadly. Nature's glow is full of surprises, sometimes enchanting, sometimes lethal. Bioluminescent insects light up nights around the world. In North America, fireflies create spectacular summer displays, especially in the Smoky Mountains. Central and South America's rainforests host diverse glowing beetles and railroad worms, which shine in multiple colors. In Southeast Asia, fireflies gather in mangrove trees, flashing in perfect synchrony, an unforgettable sight. These displays help amplify mating signals and attract tourists from around the globe. Even Europe and the UK have glowworms, with females glowing to attract mates. Bioluminescence is not just an exotic phenomenon. It's found in familiar fields and distant jungles alike. These living lanterns have adapted to many environments. The magic of nature's light is a global wonder. Wherever you are, the night may hold a hidden, glowing world. The chemistry of bioluminescence has become a powerful tool for science. Scientists use luciferin and luciferase in labs to make invisible processes visible. In medicine, the luciferase gene is attached to cancer cells in lab animals. When injected with luciferin, glowing cells reveal tumor growth and drug effectiveness in real time. The same technique tracks infections and tests antibiotics. Food safety tests use the reaction to detect harmful bacteria quickly. The firefly's glow has given us new ways to fight disease and keep food safe. Nature's light unlocks secrets at the molecular level. Even the smallest creatures can inspire breakthroughs. The next time you see a firefly, remember, its glow is lighting the path of discovery.